guys, it's Lily. So today I'm going to be doing a what I bring to church / youth group video. I think I've made a video like 3 years ago with this purse, and it was like what's in my purse, but like I didn't even use this purse. No joke, this purse has been sitting in my closet. Hold on. This purse has been sitting in my closet for like 3 years. I've never used it before, but now I have found a use for it. So this is a purse dedicated only for like church and for youth group, because I have so many things that I bring with me that I kind of just transfer like my wallet over here, and that's pretty much it. But yeah, so I want to show you what's inside of here. So let's just go start. This is a Coach purse. I have no idea what the style is or anything, like what the year is, but it's just like this light pink purse with like this dark brown detailing. So like the bottom's dark brown, and on the side it says Coach here, and then it has this little keychain and the handles. There's no clip or anything to clip it together. Then inside is kind of like this lime green yellowish color, and there is this pocket in the middle, and then there's this pocket on the side here inside, if you can see that in there. So I'm going to start from this pocket. First of all, I just put this in here today. I actually lost this, but then I found it in, well, actually my sister found it in my grandma's car. It just has an L on it, and it keeps your headphones and your chargers and stuff like that in here. It has these headphones, which doesn't even work with my phone, but like I have an adapter. I'll just keep these for like backup, and then a charger and stuff like that. And then I have my Bible. I don't really like this Bible that much, but it's the one that I don't really care about, so that's why I like bring it with me. This is the New Believers Bible, NLT, First Steps for New Christians. This one I highlight a lot and all that kind of stuff. So that's my Bible. And then also I have these highlighters. So this is my highlighter. I got these on Amazon. These are like the cheapest ones you can get. They're $5. They're from Mr. Pen. But yeah, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors in here, and they work decent, I guess. And then I have some trash. Nice. I have a rubber band. I have a gum wrapper. Some gum that has 1 piece left. 2 pieces left. We'll go into this inside or outside one, I guess. So this one contains a bunch of sticky notes and stuff like that. I'm gonna take out because I don't use a lot of sticky notes for my Bible and stuff. I use them mostly for like my notebook that I keep at home, but I have like a bunch of sticky notes. I'll do my middle pocket. So my middle pocket, which is a zipper, is really messy. It has just all my pens and stuff like that, so I'm actually going to clean this out because I don't need some of these. So I have this huge pen. I have this pen. And then I have a bunch of markers, which I'm going to take out because I don't need markers in here. I have a Sharpie, and then I have these Bible journaling things, which I love, and my aunt gave them to me. Thanks, Aunt Megan. 2 of these pens from Target that my sister got me for my birthday, I think. And then, of course, I had to have a lip balm in there because my lips are dry. I have a highlighter, pencil, and another one of those Target pens. And then down here, I have these as well that my sister got me. So they're just page flags. Those are really cute. And I have some paper clips. So that's what's in that middle pocket there. And then my other pocket, so I have my journal or my notebook. So this one I got for my birthday. Yeah, my birthday. It says Be Still. I love this one, and I just started it like last week. The only thing I don't like about it is that like the lines are like weird. They look like they're like broken, and like it just looks like they weren't like full, like the ink was kind of out when they printed this, but I think it's supposed to be like that. It has little verses on the bottom, and I just love this notebook. And then I have my war binder, which I still need to do because I got this for my birthday. No, for Christmas. I was so excited about it, but I never write in it. So like basically this is supposed to be like a scrapbook basically. And you're supposed to fill it up all the way to the top, and like it's supposed to be like huge, but I don't do it, and I need to do it. But I have some stickers in here, all my little different notebooks that fit in here, and a pen. Then I have this notebook here, which is from a conference. I didn't write anything in it, but it's from a conference that I went to, so I just kept it in there just in case, you know, I need an extra notebook. I have this. This is what my church gives out. Some more gum wrappers. So yeah, that is what's in my purse. It's all empty now. It's just all my Bible essentials. Or my church essentials, I guess. I honestly did this because I didn't feel like carrying all this stuff in my hands. When I go out, I always just put my wallet in it. That is what is in my purse. Now I just fit everything in there, and there we go. We're all set to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a request down below, of course, as always, to just tell me what you want to see from me. Yeah, subscribe if you want to see more videos, and like it, thumbs it up, do whatever you want. It's free. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.